The Xiaomi 13 Pro comes with a 6.78-inch 2K Flexible E6 AMOLED LTPO display with a 120Hz refresh rate, peak brightness of 1900 nits, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision support. In terms of camera, the smartphone sports a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP Sony IMX989 1-inch sensor with an f/1.9 aperture, 50MP telephoto lens with a 3x optical zoom, and Leica's floating lens element along with a 50MP ultrawide lens with an f/2.2 aperture and a macro mode. On the front, the Xiaomi 13 Pro equips a 32MP selfie camera. The Xiaomi 13 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset paired with up to 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. It runs on MIUI 14, based on Android 13. In terms of battery, the smartphone houses a 4820 mAh battery that supports 120W fast charging and 50W wireless charging. Regarding the connectivity features, the Xiaomi 13 Pro comes with 5G support, Wi-Fi 7 capabilities, NFC, Bluetooth 5.3, dual speakers, Dolby Atmos, and more.